Qatar's main stock exchange is the Qatar Stock Exchange. The QSE is a full member of the World Federation of Exchanges, and the MSCI and the S&P Dow Jones Indices recently upgraded it. There are 47 listed companies on the exchange, and they are denominated in Qatari riyals. The Qatar Stock Exchange's major goal is to assist Qatar's economy by offering a venue for Qatari firms to raise money as part of their corporate plan and providing investors with a platform to trade a range of products in a transparent and efficient way. Qatar's economy is one of the world's richest in terms of GDP per capita, consistently placing among the top 10 richest nations according to World Bank, United Nations and IMF data. Despite restrictions imposed by Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, the country's economy has risen. Petroleum and natural gas are the backbones of Qatar's economy, accounting for more than 70% of total government revenue, 60% of GDP, and about 85% of export profits. Qatar has the world's third largest known natural gas reserves and is the world's second largest natural gas exporter. Qatar was a poor pearl diving country before the advent of the petroleum-based economy. In 1939, oil and gas resources were first explored. Oil output and earnings skyrocketed in 1973, propelling Qatar from the ranks of the world's poorest countries to one of the greatest per capita incomes on the planet. The industry is an important element of the government's effort to diversify the economy and make the most of the country's vast natural gas reserves, which serve as the sector's major feedstock. As a result, industrial development has been meticulously planned. Development has been concentrated on the ports of Ras Laffan Industrial City and Messaid Industrial Area, which are important energy hubs with an eye towards exports. Over time, the outcome has grown significantly. Industries Qatar, a regional powerhouse that produces petrochemicals, fertilizers and steel, is second only to Saudi Basic Industries Corporation, the Middle East's biggest chemical manufacturer in terms of scale. Manufacturing was the third largest contributor to GDP among non-oil and gas industries in 2007, accounting for roughly 7.5% of total GDP. The Qatari banking industry escaped the direct effects of the global subprime meltdown, but it was not immune to its aftershocks. Overall, the Gulf Cooperation Council markets performed well in the fourth quarter of 2008, with most banks reporting significant profits. However, the sector is beset by liquidity difficulties, waning consumer trust, and a forced reluctance to lead. In its spring 2019 review, the International Monetary Fund stated that Qatar had effectively absorbed the shocks of the 2017 blockade and the decline in oil prices from 2014 to 2016. Qatar's outlook had been assessed as negative by S&P Global in 2017. However, it was revised to stable in 2019. The Qatar Central Bank indicated in August 2019 that the country's economic development will accelerate over the next 2 years as oil prices remain steady and exports remain robust. Foreign individuals that sell shares in Qatar-based enterprises are subject to a 10% gain tax. The Ministry of Development, Planning and Statistics is a great resource for equity research on Qatari stocks. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.